Hi Sudip, welcome to HCLTech Trends and Insight. You've been with HCL for a long time now. Could you please tell us a little bit about your roles and responsibilities?
Moshe, firstly, thanks a lot for the invitation, and it's a great opportunity to talk to you. I have been with the company for 27 years. I joined back in '96 in many European countries, starting with Netherlands, then Belgium, then Scandinavia. In my current role, I head financial service vertical for HCLTech for Europe.
The topic of interest today is FinOps. Could you share your perspective of what FinOps is all about and why it's required by the financial organizations for their digital transformation?
So FinOps, or financial operations as we call it, is a very important discipline which organizations need to adopt. And it's a very important critical success factor in their digital transformation journey. Yeah. As part of the digital transformation journey, as organizations are adopting cloud, I think they need to have a framework to have a better cost efficiency. They have the better ability to predict their expenditure, and also, especially in financial service, given there are enormous regulatory pressure, regulatory expectation, you need to keep your cost aspects under control for reporting to your regulators. So putting all these things together, you need a structured framework, and FinOps provides this framework.
Financial services face their fair share of challenges. What are the key ones, if you can shed light on that?
In the financial services industry, there is a significant amount of legacy challenge, and FinOps is a very advanced cloud-driven solution. So you need to integrate your legacy with your, the cloud-based infrastructure or the applications to have the ability to have a better reporting and better insight into your various aspects of cost. So the integration becomes the first challenge. The second part is the regulations and the regulatory aspects. I think FinOps is a great tool to meet the expectations of the regulator, but also it could be very challenging because you always need to stay compliant, especially the security aspects of the regulations. So you have in Europe, for example, GDPR, the data protection. So as a bank, you have to be very careful in the way you handle the customer data. You need to have all mechanism and mitigations about all your risks. KYC and AML is a big topic in the industry today. So given all this, I think you need to have a robust technology and the systems and processes to deal with the confidentiality and the regulatory aspects and the data privacy aspects. So how you deal with it, that is a very important challenge.
You talked about next-gen technologies and data. Shed some light around artificial intelligence and how it's reshaping the whole financial services and FinOps.
Artificial intelligence will be a game changer. I think the artificial intelligence will bring in far better ability to have a better analytics capability. We at HCLTech have developed many use cases, and we are in the process of implementing many proof of concepts for organizations in the FinOps space by leveraging artificial intelligence to allow the organizations to have far better capability around FinOps.
Could you please talk about the trends you foresee reshaping the financial organizations?
When it comes to the future of FinOps, I clearly see the cloud and the AI are going to give organizations more ability to deal with FinOps. So we are going to see more cloud-ready and cloud-enabled FinOps solution. And I think that is going to be one of the very important trend going forward, how organizations adopt future-ready next-gen FinOps tools and processes.